Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, transferring assets between exchanges is a breeze, but it's always good to have a clear guide. Today, we're tackling how to transfer your Chainlink Link tokens from Binance to Bitrue. This process is straightforward and secure, helping you manage your portfolio more effectively. Why do this? Maybe you're looking for better trading options on Bitrue or diversifying your holdings. Whatever the reason, let's get you set up. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and Bitrue, and that you own some Chainlink tokens. Also, double-check that both platforms support the same blockchain network for Link, which is typically Ethereum. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet, or Funding Wallet, where your Link is stored. Once there, find Chainlink in your asset list and click on Withdraw. Step 2. You'll need the Bitrue wallet address. Log into Bitrue, go to your wallet, and copy the deposit address for Chainlink. Make sure it's the correct network, Ethereum for Link, to avoid any lost funds. Back on Binance, paste this address into the withdrawal form, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the network fees. These might be a bit higher in 2025 due to network upgrades, so keep an eye on that. Step 3. Hit Confirm on Binance. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Always verify it before proceeding. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, keep your accounts secure by using two-factor authentication. Step 4. Once it's done, log back into Bitrue and check your wallet. Your Chainlink should appear. If it doesn't, don't panic. Just wait a bit longer or contact support. A quick tip. Always test with a small amount first to ensure everything works smoothly, and never share your private keys. That's it, you've successfully transferred your Chainlink. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.